we are no longer living with that particular narcissist partner. We are now separated or broken up. Right now we are not with that individual, but we have still not detached ourselves from that narcissistic trauma which that person left with us. So today we are going to discuss about those steps which we can do for our own self, right? So in today's video I have made 5 steps for you which are going to be helpful to detach from any kind of narcissistic trauma. So let us start. The first point is of acknowledgement and validation. Now, first of all, we need to understand that yes, we do have some sort of trauma because of that partner. And how are we able to accept that we have some sort of a trauma in which we are realizing that the relation did not end because we are at fault or something is wrong with us? No. The relationship ended because we both were not compatible with each other. There were things which were not common between each other, and when there is no love, there is no respect, there is no dignity, there is no point of continuing that relation any longer. They tried to fill us with guilt and with this thought that this all was our own fault, but this is the first thing which we need to do with the acknowledgement part, that is to understand it was never our fault. Along with this, in the first step only, we need to accept a harsh reality, and that harsh reality is this: that narcissist person will never change. If we are dreaming, if we are in that illusion that this person after separating from me will get this realization, this sense of bliss, that my god, I was so wrong, I tormented my partner, I should go back to them, I should apologize. We daydream this a lot. Stop doing that. Accept the reality that person will never change whether you are with them or not. After that comes the second step of this video, in which now we are establishing certain boundaries, right? Certain rules and regulations. In that comes the first thing: you should follow a strict no contact policy. And by no contact, I mean no contact at all. There is no common link between you anymore. There is no point of having any kind of conversation with each other for any reason at all. Block that person from any kind of source. All the social media platforms, the mobile phone, the email, whatever other mode of communication you might be having with that person, block that individual from everywhere. Now suppose due to some reason you have to stay in touch with that person, due to some reasons. Let's say you were married, you have children, now you are separated, but because of children you have to talk to each other after once in a while. Whenever you talk, only talk to that individual when the topic is related to the children. Apart from that, there is no point of having any kind of conversation. So along with the no contact comes, this is the second step or second point, in which you are minimizing your contact or limiting your contact only to the relevant thing. And in this only, the second point only, there is a sub third point: you are not allowing that person to cross that particular boundary, because you no longer are married, you no longer are together, so they can't treat you the way they used to treat. For example, just giving a small scenario: suppose you are talking with an individual on mobile phone and the topic is on children only, but while talking the person might be raising their voice, they might be putting some kind of personal gestures or remarks over you. You are not entertaining that at all. You're disconnecting the call immediately once you realize that they are crossing the boundary. Earlier we used to listen to each and every crap, now we are not. After this comes the third step, which is for healing, or which is of healing. Now we have to heal ourselves. How will we heal? Let us start with a very small activity which is called as a self-rewarding activity. This is the first point in the third category or the third step. You reward yourself upon every accomplishment you achieve. Whatever you do in your life in which you are successfully doing it, reward yourself after completion of every small or big target. By doing so, you are enhancing the motivation within yourself to be more productive, to be more constructive. And the reward you are giving to yourself in a way that your actions, your efforts are not going unnoticed. You are noticing everything about yourself. When we do this, in a way, we are reclaiming our self worth. See, when you reward yourself, you are putting your efforts for your own productivity, for your own growth, for your own betterment. Whatever you do, your actions are in that direction which is suitable for you, which is profitable for you. You're not doing anything else, right? So, in a way, you're reclaiming your self worth by doing what you wanted to do in the first place. And in all this, there's another thing which you have to keep in mind: let go of the need to find closure. I did not get any closure from my ex. I need that closure now. When will I get closure? Because until or unless I do not get that closure, I might not be able to move on. So this is our own failure. You are again putting that person in the front seat by asking for closure from them. My dear friends, you will never get any kind of closure from any kind of a narcissist individual. Forget about it. So just best thing is to just move on. And after this comes the fourth step, that is to rebuild your life for more peace and clarity. How will you do that? First step, first point in the fourth step, do or follow self-care routine. Now, in self-care, I do not only emphasize to take care of your skin or your hair or your clothes. No. By self-care, I mean you do each and every activity which you want to do for yourself. You want to play video games. You want to buy a particular type of dress, buy that. You want to eat something which your ex did not want you to eat initially, you eat that. So now whatever you are doing for your own self, so you are taking care of your life. Nobody else will take care of you. You are only doing it for your own self. And along with this, see, we think that we are alone, but in reality we are not. We are surrounded by many people who wish well for us, like our family, our friends. I'm not asking you to open up with each and every individual, but try to have that kind of a support group for your own self, in front of whom you can speak up, in front of whom you can share whatever you want to share without any kind of inhibition. So create that kind of support system. You will find very light, very healthy, very easy to communicate your feelings or express whatever you are finding very unpleasant for yourself. Now suppose, let's say you are not able to follow these points by your own self, or despite following these points you are not able to get that kind of satisfaction which you wanted for yourself. So what can we do? Now comes the fifth point: seek professional help. There is no shame in seeking out an expert who can help us to come out of such crisis, provided we take their service seriously and with the whole intention of that, yes, we want to feel better, right? So there are many experts who can help you out, okay, to come out of any kind of narcissistic trauma. Online services are also available, physical services are also available. I'm sure in wherever you live, there are many individuals professionally who are working in your area who can provide you better help. If you think I can provide you better help, the number is on your screen. You can call us, you can WhatsApp us, you can book an appointment also. Okay, but seek out professional help if needed. Don't be embarrassed. All right. So today's video, I wanted to share certain points which we can do for our own self. If we are rigorously following those 4 points, I will tell you, you will not seek or you will not need any kind of external therapy. You yourself will become a self therapist. Okay. Follow these points. If not, seek help as well. And if you think I have missed out any point, do let me know in the comment section. If you want any similar videos on the similar topics, I mean, do let me know in the comment section as well. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.